These furnaces are made in Mexico by Nordyne and they are only available through their limited dealer network. The MG2S models are 95% efficient gas-fired units that feature smart light control for a longer igniter life. They also have a corrosion-resistant stainless steel secondary heat exchanger. The CMF3 model is a standard 80% efficient gas unit, but the warranty on the gas furnaces is not very good when compared to other brands. Their gas furnaces receive an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. The M5 model is a basic oil furnace with an 83% AFUE combustion efficiency. Their oil furnaces receive an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. The E7 is an electric furnace that is backed by a decent guarantee, but they use basic PSC blower motors which are less energy efficient and less durable than ECM motors. Their electric furnaces receive an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.